Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful drink. Now, this is more of a refreshing, cool drink that you can make and put in your refrigerator and enjoy throughout the day. Now, this is also immune boosting as well as for weight loss. This is going to help to shred and shrink the weight off of you. Now, this is more of a citrusy type of drink that is definitely going to fill you with that vitamin C, boost your metabolism, as well as boosting up your immune system. Okay, so it's a two-parter when you think about it. So it's so easy to make. I'm going to put that on the stove, light that up already. Okay, let me show you some of these wonderful ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some turmeric. You're also going to need some ginger root, some mint leaves, a lemon, a cucumber, and an orange. Okay, so let's start now. I'm going to put 700 ml of water. So we're going to put that into our pan. Now you're also going to need a pitcher. Okay, and what we're going to start off doing is grating our turmeric. So I'm just going to take my turmeric and grate that directly into my pan of water. Now I would say take 2 knuckles, alright, but these are pretty big, so I would say 2 to 3 knuckles of turmeric root. Just know that turmeric is going to be very staining, so just prepare for your hands to look like yellow. Now we're going to take our ginger root, which is about a nice hefty size, and I would say about 3 inches. I like my drink strong, so 3 inches of ginger root. And we're also going to grate that directly into our water. Okay, and what I'm going to do next is just cover my pot and let it simmer on a low flame for at least 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, while that is boiling, I'm just going to slice up my fruit. Okay, and now I'm going to slice up my cucumbers as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just add that into my pitcher. Now I'm going to take my lemons and also add that into my pitcher. And now I'm just going to add my mint leaves in there as well. So you're just going to take the leaves off. And that's like 3 sprigs of mint leaves. And next, I'm going to take my orange and slice that up as well. And now I'm just going to add that into my pitcher as well. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this on the side and wait for my water to finish boiling. And then I will be right back. Alright, so I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that our water is ready, what I'm going to do is just leave it on the side and let it cool down while it's steeping. Okay, so I'm going to leave it on the stove and cool itself so it can cool itself down. Alright you guys, so now that our drink is finished, I'm just going to strain this off. Okay. And now I'm going to fill the rest with water. I'll be right back. And that's it, you guys. There you have it, you guys. A powerful weight loss, detox, as well as an immune boosting drink. Now this drink is going to do so much for your body. It's going to boost you up with vitamin C. It's going to help you to shrink and lose that belly fat, also that water fat. It's going to detox your body. It's also going to fill you up with lots of vitamins, nourishment, and minerals, okay? This is going to boost your metabolism. It's going to give you energy. There's just so many wonderful benefits of this tea. The turmeric has so many awesome miracle working powers for your body as well. So please Drink this refreshing drink. You store this in your refrigerator and let it steep for at least 12 hours. Okay? You drink the whole entire concoction throughout the day, and then you refill it again and then put it right back in your refrigerator for another 12 hours. You can use the fruits twice. After that, discard them, and then you can remake this whole entire drink again. It is powerful for your body, fat burning properties. I mean, the list is endless, okay? So I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family that needs their immune system boosted, as well as losing that weight. You still got time, okay? This is wonderful for your health, and it's going to benefit your body in so many ways. Also, check down below for the links in my eBay store for these wonderful, powerful herbs that's going to bless you in the bedroom, as well as bless your body for weight loss, as well as detoxing. It's just so many wonderful herbs down there. So go shopping, check down below. Yeah, visit my eBay store. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, beauty care videos, as well as family challenges and fashion hauls. Alright, and until the next time, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.